Hi, Andrew here from Safe Secure Pest Control. Just finishing off beehive removal. We are reluctant to remove beehives if not completely necessary, but this hive was tried to remove 3 times by beekeepers unsuccessfully, and the roof was falling off the building, so it had to be removed. The most important thing is when you're removing a beehive that all the contaminated honey and honey is removed afterwards, so bees won't come and steal it from another hive and contaminate another nest. But this is the best way of doing it. And then the space has to be filled up with a synthetic fibre, synthetic insulation afterwards to prevent the same thing happening again. Thank you.